green color, red color, yellow color, black color, yellow ochre color, and blue color. Kids, now you draw A and use green color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H and use red color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. It's now you draw O and use yellow color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V and use black color. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z green color, red color, yellow color, black color, yellow ochre color, and blue color. Kids, now you draw one and use green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use red color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use yellow color. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Kids, now you draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.